everyone, I'm Elise Schuldis and this is Sarah Hardy, and let's get started with the show right now.
But again, the crocodile hunter, I give him a lot of love, a lot of credit, but people go,
it's such a loss to the nature community, he taught us so much about nature.
And I got mad when I heard this lady on TV saying that he taught us a lot about nature, and it was like, no, he didn't really teach a lot about nature. If you want to learn about nature, you watch Discovery Channel or one of these, nature programs where they have a guy on safari and he's studying from afar. Crocodile hunter, no, come on, every episode. Hey, what you doing? Look over there, right there, it's a tiger. That tiger weighs 800 pounds and it could kill a man in 10 seconds. I'm gonna touch it. Oi, tiger! Oh, he's angry! He's angry! Next episode, hey, that's a king cobra, the most venomous snake in all the planet. One bite and I'm dead. I'm gonna pick it up. He's angry!
Hi everyone, welcome back to the KHS Weekly Show. Alongside Elise Schuldis, I'm Sarah Hardy, and thanks for joining us. Elise? Thanks, Sarah. Shout out and thank you to Lucy Monero for the animation Open Very Funny. This week's show is for the week of January 27th through January 31st. We officially start the second semester and third marking period this week. And it's Super Bowl week. We have a busy show this week with a few video segments. Later in the show, we have a cam on the street, so stay tuned for that. Plus, we have several acknowledgments and announcements for the week. But first, producers Brandon Aberback and Nick Matthew provide this PSA. Nice job on the PSA, guys. As indicated in the PSA, drinking and driving can lead to a fatal accident. January is National Teen Driving Awareness Month. And with winter weather, colder temps, limited daylight, and continue to be alert and mindful while driving on the roadways. All right, moving things along. Up next are a few school news and informational announcements about things happening at KHS. Okay, up next is a shout out to our Student of the Week. Congrats extended to our Student of the Week, Haley Mathis. Nice job, Haley. We would like to extend congratulations to Educators of the Year. Congratulations to the 2019 to 2020 Governor's Educators of the Year. Teacher of the Year, Miss Alice Kinnelon, Art Teacher. And Educational Service Professional, Miss Marlene Gardreau, School Counselor. Thanks for enriching the students of KHS. We appreciate what you do for all. Here's another congratulations announcement. Congrats to the following students and advisor, Miss Gilligan, for winning DECA Regionals Mini Awards. Finance, first place, Luca Boyat and Graham Carroll. Test, Finance, first place, Graham Carroll. Test, Sports and Entertainment Marketing, second place, Colin Wood. Test, Entrepreneurship, third place, Braden Carroll. Congratulations to Bridget Wang for being selected for NJ All-State Band. She'll be performing at NJ PAC on Sunday, February 23rd with the New Jersey All-State Symphonic Band. She was one of 2 piano players accepted into the group. KHS Music Department is very proud of her. Recently, producer Nolan Nguyen and Gavin Frieda caught up with several KHS students and staff in the latest Cam on the Street. We'll be right back.
Yo, what is that?
Cam on the Street, social media edition.
Nice.
I got Instagram, I got Snapchat, I got Twitter, I got TikTok.
Instagram, Snapchat, Visco, TikTok.
Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, Visco, TikTok. That's it.
Brawl Stars.
I don't have any apps on my phone.
I believe it's around 350,000.
445,000.
Wow.
600,000.
The ones where people dance.
Okay.
Renegade by Charlie.
It's a Renegade.
Renegade.
Wait. Renegade. Go. Hey, Reese, you got one. Go. Go. Oh, go. Yeah. Go. Let's go. Go. Go.
That's a lot of movement right there. No, I don't want to get hurt.
Vine. TikTok.
Vine.
TikTok.
No app will ever be greater than Vine.
Vine, because my Vines in 4th grade are legendary.
Girl, I need a homework pass.
TikTok all the way, I'm sorry. Vine is like legendary, but like at the same time, like I could go on TikTok for hours.
TikTok.
Oh my God, Vine.
I'm gonna go with the TikTok because I know nothing about the Vine.
Stop. I could have dropped my...
Croissant. Sarah. Oh my God.
Ask Lise that one.
Croissant. Oh
Croissant. Croissant.
My sandwich?
Croissant. Road work ahead.
Yeah, I sure hope it does.
Yeah, I sure hope it does.
I sure hope it does.
Very good. Look out. Yeah, I sure hope it does.
It's an avocado.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Eat it.
Thanks.
A very special thanks to Mr. Capra, you are awesome. And thanks everyone involved that helped with the segment. Our next announcement. Up next are a few school and activity and club announcements. Please listen carefully. Attention all, Trust Club will be meeting on January 29th in room 223 right after school. Hey, even though it's 2 months from now, there will be a bagel fundraiser for the Freshman Student Council on St. Patrick's Day, March 17th before school in the front lobby. Come hungry or buy a friend a bagel for good luck. Okay, Sarah, our next announcement is interesting. Let's spread the word to the underclassmen. Are you interested in taking journalism as an elective next year? Or wondered why even bother if you don't want to pursue a career in journalism? Well, it turns out taking a KHS journalism class may very well be the best skill course you can take. We will be right back after this short promo.
We gather, deliver, and consume information faster and in more places than ever. In order to be heard, today's journalists need to be compelling storytellers and tech-savvy content creators. New media journalism merges the traditional principles of journalism with modern interactive media technologies, giving you the necessary skill set to stay current in your field. From digital newsroom management and multimedia reporting to legal and ethical aspects of the digital domain, you'll gain project-based experience as you discover the tools to stay relevant in this ever-changing industry.
Also, Sarah, this is for all students. KHS is hosting a journalism panel assembly on Wednesday, February 12th during unit lunch in the auditorium. 6 professionals in the journalism and media field will be here to discuss what their jobs are like. And the panel will be taking questions from the audience. So see if a class or even a career in journalism is right for you. Our next announcement is for seniors. Applications for the Senior Service Project are now available for pickup in room 309. All applicants must be submitted to Ms. Filchak or Mr. Moulet no later than April 17th. Here's another announcement for seniors. Be sure to apply for local scholarships. All info can be found online or speak with your guidance counselors. There are many local scholarships and money that is awarded at the end of Senior Awards Night. And yet another announcement for seniors. Attention seniors, if you're a fan of hockey, and really, even if you're not, the senior class has started a fundraiser with the New Jersey Devils. Everyone sign up and come out on March 19th at 7:00 p.m. at the Prudential Center for a Class of 2020 themed night with the New Jersey Devils. Everyone, not just the senior class, is welcome to attend this event while helping us to raise money for Class of 2020 activities. Encourage friends and family to attend so we can get a great group there. The event will feature pre-game question and answer session with executives from the New Jersey Devils and Prudential Center for all seniors. Kinnelon High School welcome message on the Jumbotron. New Jersey Devils Class of 2020 t-shirt for every senior. New Jersey Devils group gift for everyone in attendance. Post-game group photo on the Devils main ice. A link was sent in the weekly newsletter, and you can see Ms. Filchak with any questions. Another announcement for seniors. Project graduation forms are available on the website and noted. The window for discount has closed. The price is now $140. Up next are a few sports announcements. Be sure to register for spring sports. The deadline is quickly approaching. All signups are due February 10th. Congrats is extended to the girls swim team for placing 3rd at the Morris County Championships. Awesome job, girls. Great job also goes out to the boys swim team for earning 5th place. Shout out to girls hoops for the big win over Madison High School. Boys hoops with 45-34 win against Parsippany. Trey McDonald led with 16 points. Matt Sinicki reached double figures with 11. Drew Smith chipped in with 9, and Will Castell added 7. Good team effort, boys. Congrats to Caroline Ty for placing 3rd in the high jump at Morris County Championships. Congratulations to Alicia Marut for placing 9th at the Morris County Championships in the high jump. Congrats Kiara Lucas for placing 7th at the Morris County Championships on the pole vault. Congrats Ali Martini for placing 8th at the Morris County Championships on the 55-meter hurdles. And for all things KHS sports, scores, and updates, continue to follow KHS Athletics on Twitter at KHS_sports. Stay updated on all things KHS by visiting the school and district websites, subscribing to the KHS social media accounts, and for feature stories, news, and segments, be sure to check out thecochronicle.org or the KHS YouTube channel. Our director today was Sydney Adello. Our technical director was Spencer Rode. Our video producer was Daniel Curran. Our audio operator was Ben Wahlberg. Our script supervisor was Alexandra Bjornson. Enjoy the Super Bowl, everyone. That's it for today. Have a fantastic week. Continue to work hard, be kind. Peace, everyone.